In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to categorize transactions in QuickBooks Online step by step. First things first, you'll want to get started by signing into your QuickBooks account. So head over to your QuickBooks Online login page and click on the Sign In button. Once that's done, you'll need to choose QuickBooks Online from the options provided. This step ensures you're landing in the right place to manage your business finances seamlessly. Now that you're at the login screen, it's time to type in your credentials. Enter your username and password and click Continue to proceed to your QuickBooks dashboard. Having your login details handy will make this process much smoother and quicker. Once you're signed in, navigate to the Transactions tab. You can find this by looking at the side menu of your QuickBooks dashboard. Clicking on this tab will open up a range of transaction related options, which is where you'll be managing and categorizing your bank transactions. Now in the Transactions tab, you'll see an option to click on Bank Transactions. Go ahead and select this option. This will take you to a detailed list of all transactions associated with your linked bank accounts. As you scroll through your list of transactions, it's time to focus on the Categorize or Match column. This column is essential because it allows you to either match transactions with those already recorded in your QuickBooks ledger or to categorize new transactions. You might notice some transactions have a note that says Match Found. When you see this, it's a sign that QuickBooks has recognized a potential match for a transaction already recorded. Click it to categorize it quickly, saving you time and ensuring accuracy in your financial records. Now to finalize the categorization, click on the Categorize button. Doing this opens a window where you can specify the appropriate category for the transaction. QuickBooks offers a list of expense and income categories to choose from, so be sure to select the one that best fits the nature of your transaction. Once you've selected the appropriate category, you'll want to categorize the transaction accordingly. This step ensures your financial statements accurately reflect your business activities, which is essential for effective financial management and reporting. And finally, after you've categorized your transaction, click on the Add button. This will complete the process and update your financial records with the new information. Remember, categorizing transactions accurately keeps your financial data organized, making it easier to analyze business performance and prepare for tax season. And there you have it. Now you know how to categorize transactions in QuickBooks Online efficiently. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it simplifies your bookkeeping process. Thanks for watching and happy bookkeeping.